In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Hubspot. Whether you're promoting a new product, collecting leads, or creating a stunning web experience, a landing page is a vital tool for your marketing efforts. Let's dive in and start building one together, step by step. First, head over to the Hubspot website. If you don't have it bookmarked, open your browser and navigate to Hubspot. Once you're there, you'll want to look at the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the Sign In page. Now, instead of entering a username and password, let's make things easy by choosing the Sign In with Google option. This allows you to quickly log into HubSpot using your existing Google account. Simply select the account you'd like to use, and you're set. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left panel, you'll see various options, but what we're interested in is the Content section. Click on Content, which will guide you to the area where all your marketing magic happens. Now that you're there, locate the Landing Pages option. This is where we organize, create, and manage all of our landing pages. Click on Landing Pages, and you'll find yourself in a familiar workspace that might look a bit empty if you're new to this. To get started with a fresh landing page, look for the Create button on this screen. Clicking it will initiate the creation process and allow us to craft our page from the ground up. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to begin. For today's demonstration, let's start with a blank page by selecting that option. With a blank canvas laid before you, it's time to breathe life into your page. Click on Use to advance to the editor. The first thing you'll want to do is give your landing page a proper title. This title sets the theme for what you're about to create, so choose something that captures attention effectively. In the middle of the editor, you'll find the Add Section button. This is your gateway to adding elements to your landing page. Click it and explore the various components you can introduce: images, text boxes, forms, or call to action buttons. Adding these elements is as simple as dragging and dropping them into place, allowing you to customize the page to your heart's content. Once satisfied with your design, you need to ensure it's all saved. Look towards the top right corner for the Save button and click it regularly to protect your progress. Saving frequently is a great habit to develop. With everything in place, you're now ready to share your landing page with the world. Click on Publish in the top right corner and follow any additional prompts to finalize the process. If all goes smoothly, click on Publish once more, and your new landing page will be live and accessible. And there you have it, a fully functional landing page ready to support your marketing goals. Keep experimenting with the design, try different elements, and refine your techniques to make each page better than the last. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.